Hi, I'm Jessica from HiveCE, and I'm very excited to tell you about our latest hands-on course, Meds by Injection, as well as two other recent releases that are purely on-demand courses on pharmacology for midwives. And at the end of this video, I'll give you a coupon code to get 10% off any or all three of them for a limited time. So first up is Meds by Injection. This course is a hybrid on-demand and live Zoom course that trains you or retrains you in the proper technique for giving injections, administering perineal anesthetic, and creating sterile water papules. Once you enroll, you'll have instant access to the on-demand content, and you can schedule your live Zoom session. 2 weeks prior to your live Zoom, we'll send you a supply kit that will give you the ability to both practice and demonstrate giving subcutaneous and IM injections using an EpiPen, administering anesthetic prior to perineal suturing, and using this nifty pad to create sterile water papules. After your live Zoom session, we'll send you a return label to return your kit, and all supply costs and postage are included in the fee for this course. Upon completion, you'll receive a CE certificate for 4 hours of MEAC-approved CE, and you'll continue to have access to the on-demand content for at least a year. We also have two new purely on-demand pharmacology courses, Foundational Pharmacology and Practical Pharmacology. Foundational Pharmacology provides that's right, a foundation for understanding how medications interact with the body and general information about using medications in home birth midwifery practice. This course is recommended for those who have not previously had pharmacology training or are in need of a refresher. On the other hand, Practical Pharmacology was designed to match the way the mind of a midwife best learns and remembers information, and that's through the use of case studies. This course covers the proper use of antihemorrhagics, including TXA, Rh immune globulin, sterile water papules, antibiotics for GBS prophylaxis, epinephrine for anaphylaxis, medical oxygen, anesthetics for perineal repair, erythromycin, and vitamin K. Practical Pharmacology is recommended for all midwives and includes the latest recommendations on the use of epinephrine, which recently have changed. Foundational Pharmacology is MEAC approved for 2 hours of CE, and Practical Pharmacology is MEAC approved for 5 hours of CE. An important distinction between the on-demand courses of Foundational Pharmacology and Practical Pharmacology versus the hand-on course of Meds by Injection is that the on-demand ones are going to be about the theory, and Meds by Injection is teaching you how to actually give the injections. Okay, and now for the coupon code you were promised. You may use the coupon code MEDSKICKOFF at checkout for 10% off Meds by Injection, Foundational Pharmacology, Practical Pharmacology, or all of the above. The code is only good for a limited time, so be sure to use it right away. The links to all these courses can be found below, and if you have any questions, please email me at jessica@hivece.com.